In this video, I will show you how to add an alt text for a photo in Hostinger website builder. This is an image we can add an alt text to. First, click on edit image. Below this photo, you can see an alt text. Just edit it like that. For example, describe your image, for example, green nature with what it's called, this simple line in nature, trail, with a trail with white. What is the opposite of white? Narrow trail. Then close this window, and don't forget to update your website to reflect your changes online. And this is how to add an alt text to images in Hostinger website builder.